In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an automatic habit tracker in Notion. Notion is a powerful tool for organizing your life, and today we will harness its potential to keep track of daily habits. This simple process will only take around 5 minutes, and you'll have a straightforward, effective way to monitor your progress and stay on track. Let's start by opening your Notion application. If you haven't used Notion before, it's a multi-purpose platform that can serve as anything from a note-taking app to a full-fledged project management tool. Once you have Notion open, we'll get started by creating a new page. This new page will be the home for your habit tracker, so think of it as your personal dashboard. After you've created this new page, let's give it a name. Naming the page Habit Tracker will keep things clear and organized. It's important that the title reflects its purpose so that you can easily navigate back to it whenever you need to update or review your habits. With our newly named page, the next step is to set up the structure for our habit tracker. In Notion, we can do this by typing in Couch Table View, which will automatically generate a database. This table will serve as the foundation for your tracking system, essentially acting as a spreadsheet where each row can represent a day and each column a habit. Now, let's move on to setting up the columns within your table. This step is crucial as these columns will correspond to each habit you're aiming to track. For example, you might want to track your exercise, water intake, or daily reading activities. Each habit gets its own column, providing you with a clear viewpoint of what you need to work on each day. Next, you'll add a checkbox column for each habit you want to track. Checkboxes are a simple and satisfying way to mark off tasks as you complete them. Whenever you accomplish a habit for the day, just tick off the box within the respective column and you'll see a visual representation of your progress. Finally, to make daily updates even easier, make use of Notion's New Day button. This feature will quickly add a new row where you can track your habits for each day. By clicking this button, you maintain a running record of your habit completion, making it easy to analyze your progress over time. And there you have it, a seamless, automatic habit tracker right within Notion. This setup not only enables you to see your achievements, but also serves as a motivator to keep you on your path of self-improvement. So go ahead and start building those habits, and let Notion take care of the rest.